In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your Ticketmaster ticket on Ticketswap. To get started, first log into your Ticketmaster account and locate the ticket you want to sell. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct event, date, and ticket, especially if you have more than one booking in your account. Once you've opened the ticket details, download the ticket as a PDF if that option is available. In some cases, instead of a downloadable PDF, you may be given a ticket link that can be shared or imported. Either option can work depending on the event and how the ticket is issued, so just use the format Ticketmaster provides for that specific ticket. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly check that the file downloaded properly or that the link is complete and accessible. This helps avoid issues later when you upload the ticket to the resale platform. Keep everything organized and easy to find, since you'll need it in the next step. Next, open the Ticketswap app or go to the Ticketswap website and select the option to sell tickets. This will take you to the listing process, where you'll be asked to upload your ticket file or provide the ticket link depending on what you receive from Ticketmaster. Follow the prompts carefully and make sure the ticket information matches the event you intend to sell. Accuracy matters here because buyers rely on the listing details to know exactly what they're purchasing. After that, upload the ticket and set your price. Ticketswap applies fair market limits, so the price you choose will need to stay within the platform's allowed range. This is designed to keep resale safe and reasonable for buyers and sellers alike. When setting your price, review the final amount carefully so you understand what will appear on the listing. If the platform shows any fees or payout estimates, take a second to read them so you know what to expect once the sale is completed. Finally, connect your bank account so you can receive your payout automatically when the ticket sells. During this step, make sure the banking details are entered correctly, since mistakes here can delay your payment. Once that's done, your listing should be ready, and Ticketswap will handle the payment process after a successful sale. That's it. Your Ticketmaster ticket is now listed through Ticketswap, and once a buyer purchases it, the payout will be sent automatically to your connected bank account.